Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to apply dynamic animations in Adobe Express. First of all, make sure you have the application installed. Open the application, click on the plus icon and select a size. Now you can select any one of it. Let's say we are selecting this one. Once you have selected your picture, now what you have to do is you need to click on any one of the elements, and in the bottom menu you can scroll a little and look for animation. There it is. Click on animation, and now you can select the animation from here. There are a lot of options you can explore. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. As our channel is going to hit 1000 subscribers, hit the subscribe button.